ITMA, a great show with a lot of innovation. We have over 1,700 exhibitors on the show floor, and of course they are really responsible to show us the innovation at the show. But apart from that, CIMATEX and ITMA have further means of showing innovation to visitor and exhibitors alike. We had 3 initiatives being presented together in Hall 3. They were the Startup Valley. That's a new initiative by CIMATEX where 16 startups had the chance or have the chance to present their innovations in the textile industry to the audience. We have the Research and Innovation Lab where research institutes and technology centers present their latest innovation and research themes. And then we have the Innovator Xchange, and that's an area where over 4 days we have been presenting some really important themes to our industry. And apart from that, we have 2 other initiatives. There is the video showcase that shows a lot of interesting themes. And the last one is the Sustainable Innovation Award. And we were very happy again to find an award winner that has an outstanding technology to be presented to the audience here at the show.
So we are really happy with the exposure we've been getting. We've been getting a lot of people to come to our stand and really explore the technology as a traceability solution, and the people really starting to look into sustainability and traceability, and being here really gives us the exposure that we have been looking for.
We are able to share our new ideas with textile-oriented people or visitors of ITMA. We are here with the production that enables to create 100% nanofibrous yarn. It attracts a lot of people, not only from Europe, but all over the world.
I was really excited to be a participant in the conversation around the regulatory environment and the investment that's needed to drive a sustainable future for this sector. I find dialogue like that particularly important for focusing the energy and effort of the sector's innovation.
I'm really interested in the green economy. This forum is very beneficial in terms of it gives you the update. We just want to know what's going on in the world at the moment, so we can just kind of adapt ourselves.
This platform allows for retailers, particularly who are attending the show, to see some of these innovations that could be used in their lines and are ready to go, quickly implement, and how to implement and who to contact about those types of innovations.
ITMA has really developed quite a number of activities, of side events on the theme of innovation that are bustling and that really give extra power to the show. We are happy to develop this further and to see you at ITMA 2027 in Hanover with even more innovation in our industry.